Hi all, this is Wonky Home Life. Have you ever had to do a science project or had some spare time during the school holidays? Or maybe just a big kid just like me? If so, this is the experiment for you. So easy to do, so much fun and so cheap. At the end of this video is the rocket taking off for the second time and worth a look. To make the rocket, you need to ensure the bottle is sealed well. Use a well-fitting cork. You will need vinegar, bicarb, bottle, cork and wooden dowels. Watch the rest of the video to see how it's done. Well, I really had fun doing this one. If you like my video and want to see more, give a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.